Welcome to another freaking video, because we're not cursing on this channel anymore, okay?
I got yelled at for cursing, so I guess I have to watch my language now. So, fuck! Alright, perfect. So, I don't know if you guys remember this, but we baked waffles last baking video that I made, and now we are back with a new recipe. We are making carnivore slash high protein pizza. Recipe was found on TikTok because, well, I'm technically on carnivore, and so I am kind of miserable. So we're just trying to make fun and just trying to find cool recipes to make while on carnivore.
Well, credit goes to Bailey Campbell.
So our base, instead of flour or whatever, is going to be ground turkey. So the whole base is gonna be ground turkey. Our toppings for the pizza are gonna be cheese, mozzarella cheese, sugar-free pepperoni, sausage, sweet Italian sausage, meat. We got some chicken thighs that are kind of defrosting. Wait, what the hell? What is this?
That's for my dinner later. The chicken thighs are in the refrigerator.
Oh, we got some chicken thighs. Pretty much everything here is animal based, so that's why I'm saying it's carnivore. The only thing that technically isn't carnivore will be like the sugar-free ranch dressing and also the sauce. We are not gonna do marinara. We're gonna do
High protein Alfredo sauce made out of cottage cheese, milk, and Parmesan. So,
which are all animal based, which again should be included in a carnivore diet. But other than that, it should be high protein, all animal based, and it should be good and, you know, be able to fit the diet. So
let's hope it comes out well, because the original recipe calls for ground chicken and we didn't have ground chicken, we had ground turkey. So we're gonna give it a shot with ground turkey and see how it goes.
we'll weigh it and try to figure out the macros and all of that, but let's get started.
So first,
Pita.
we're gonna grab the ground turkey,
Pita.
2 eggs,
Pita.
a half cup of freshly brayed parm, part of the binder. The eggs are the binder. And then we're gonna season it because we wanna make sure it tastes good.
So as you can tell, she is doing everything because as a man, I'm just here to supervise and make sure that she does what she needs to do.
I'm doing everything so that he's forced to walk the dogs.
I'm kidding, guys. We're not sexist in this channel. Sometimes we're a little sexist. All right, what you just do? You skipped a bunch of steps. Terrible.
So in here, garlic, parsley, because I like parsley, Italian, black pepper, and a little bit of salt.
We're doing 2, by the way, because I eat a lot. I only eat once a day, so I have to eat all my macros in one meal. So we're just doing 1 at a time, though, but we are originally gonna do 2 pizzas. Then you mix it nice and well. You squeeze it, you rub it, do what you gotta do. Add some spit if you want. While you're doing this, you should make sure that your oven is preheating. So right now, it's preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pita.
Yep.
Look at that. Professional. Yeah, just a heads up, like, this sucks. Like, this diet sucks. It's not meant to be fun. It's not meant to be pretty. So if you're watching this because you're searching up carnivore recipes, well, I'm assuming that you're suffering as much as we are, or keto, or high protein. Dieting sucks. I just want to go to the store, buy some actual pizza, but we can't, because, you know, trying to get right, trying to get fit for summer, for our big days like graduation and everything that's gonna happen this year. So we have to suffer. Like that? Is that cool?
Yeah. Perfect. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put down the base of this. Here you go.
The audio quality is about to change. I apologize. So then you put down the base, you flatten it out to cover the whole pan or most of the pan. I hope it doesn't stick, and I hope we used enough butter.
Now we are going to repeat the process for my pizza. I am popping this into the oven for about 25 minutes.
And the chicken should also take 25 minutes. Is this for that?
Yes.
Honestly, I don't like to get creative with my seasonings. Like, you won't see me have like 10 different seasonings and mixing them all up. Like, honestly, I just buy seasonings like already pre-made, if that makes sense. I have the wood fire garlic right here. This thing is amazing. Like, most of the stuff is sugar-free, 0 carbs, 0 calories. Perfect. It's all ready to go. You don't have to fucking mix or get creative like a fucking wizard. You don't have to make potions and mix a bunch of shit together. It's already fucking pre-made. My bad, I forgot I'm not supposed to curse. So I just add that to my chicken, mix it, and then pop it in to the air fryer so it's good to go. So we got the base cooking in the oven. We got the chicken in the air fryer. Next, we gotta touch our topping. So we're gonna cook the Italian sausage meat. You gotta love that Italian meat. Pizza. You're actually taking your fitness journey serious. Always track everything. You gotta track everything down to the T. I know it may seem like a headache at first when you're starting to do it. It's kind of like a lot. It's a lot of work. It really isn't. Like, you do it while you do those things. So that's 168 grams. So it's 166 here, 168 there. So then you plug it in the app, and that's pretty much how you get your macros. Like,
so what I'm doing now is I'm making our salsy sauce. Right now I have cottage cheese and the grated parm, and I put 226 grams of cottage cheese. Now I'm going to season it. Here we go. Now we're gonna start
adding the shows.
This. Oh, spread it.
Times when you're cooking stuff like this and you look at it, it looks kind of disgusting. What am I doing? Why can't I just go buy some pizza if I really want pizza that bad? You make a nasty looking pizza. It has all the protein you need. I'm a big fan of meat. Not like that though. All right, so we are in the final steps. She did hers already. Hers looks really, really good. Look at this abomination of meat. Pepperoni, the sausage, the chicken, and the ground turkey just looks delicious. So we got the final results right here. Not gonna lie, it looks better than I expected. Mine's is super, super thick, packed with as much protein as possible. I think it came out to like 300 grams of protein, 267 grams of protein, 8 carbs, and 130 fats. It's actually not bad at all. I would think like there would be more fats than that. First, we pray.
Ready? Cheers. This is really good.
I thought that the ground turkey was gonna be too much.
No.
It's really, really good.
And for mine, it's not too noticeable. My worry was that it was gonna be so thick for me that I would get grossed out.
I will add some crushed red peppers though, because I think it needs a little bit of spice. That will conclude the end of this video. We are going to enjoy this pizza. Then we are going to watch some Vampire Diaries, because that's what we are watching right now. We always pick a show to watch. So last show we picked was New Girl, which I picked, and now she picked Vampire Diaries. So we have to watch that. So we're gonna enjoy our pizza, then do that. But yeah.